Boma la Zomba.
Your Excellencies, we are really inspiring project managers for this project on behalf of the Ministry of Construction Elements. We have hired contractors for construction. This is one of the rarest sites where we have allowing contractors who have joined forces together. They are only union and brick construction. The units are around.
Yeah, just right there.
Thank you, Excellency. Yeah, so Your Excellency, what we have here is a hospital which is between the slightly lower than the Eastern Hospital. We have the OPD and the administration, and we also have departments like the X-ray and theater and maternity. And we also have wards, general wards both for male and female, pediatrics, as well as isolation ward. So where we are at the moment is this position here, just in front of the OPD, which is behind us. And the extent of the whole hospital takes us down all the way, and part of the project is Your Excellency, housing. We have housing up there, which is in that direction, and the housing program, which is in that direction. In total, we intend to have 45 houses. Currently, Your Excellency, we are pushing very hard to finish the project as soon as possible. And the strategy with advice from Minister of Health is that the hospital has got to be functional as soon as possible. So as of now, we are working on a strategy to finish the OPD and administration, and at least 10 houses. And this program is slated for, we expect to finish at hand of this by the end of this month, so that in August, the center is operational.
As soon as possible, what does that mean?
So as an appreciation, this is the work which we are doing. This is a concept of entrance, and that is actually the structure of the entrance. And so far the progress so far on the housing estates. We have reached that level, and also we are treating our own waste over here. So we have already finished the station points. So as of now, Your Excellencies, the service which is yet to be completed is just connection of power. But the processors has already been done. So we really hope that by 31st of July, we'll hand over these means of thank you, Your Excellency. And on terms of the impact of kids, Your Excellencies, allow me to ask District Head Officer to explain more on that. Thank you very much, Your Excellencies. Thank you.
Your Excellency, I'm Dr. Ella, the Director of Health Services for Zomba District Council. As the Zomba District Council, we are very excited with the coming in of Domasi Community Hospital. Zomba is a city district which does not have a district hospital. So it means that all our patients are referred to Zomba Central Hospital, thereby overwhelming them with the service provision with cases that we have seen at a hospital like this as Zomba DHO. So we hope that this facility will help to congest the Zomba Central Hospital, but also help us to provide quality care to the people as we reduce time that the people have to move all the way to Zomba Central Hospital, but also here we can serve them. So, as in the Honorable Minister has indicated, on 31st July, we are going to open outpatient services. The old hospital is just 2 kilometers away from here, but it is small and dilapidated. So we are moving with all staff here to start the services. The 10 houses are ready, and already the staff have been there. So I think the Excellency, you will see more as we are moving in to show you services.
Thank you so much.
The next one is love.
Gender does that boy?
Now
Project imene akugamba kuti yakumala Malawi amapano Facebook imene kupita kuti ithandizika
Terima kasih banyak.
Yeah.